You want me to do it?
So, Logan, why is it that you want to open Grandpa Adcock's presents so bad? What do you think it is? Look at me. Because was it the first one? Because it was the first present that came in the mail that you got? And so you think what? What do you think it is? Okay, so let's go take it over there.
Is this Grandpa Adcock's?
This is Grandpa Adcock's. Go sit over here.
It's heavy.
You think it's heavy? It's Christmas Eve.
Okay, Logan's opening his first gift.
A suitcase, baby.
You got a baby suitcase.
Open it up.
It's a little kid suitcase.
Oh man, video game.
What?
Open up the suitcase thing.
Let's see what's in it.
You want me to help?
Wow.
What is it?
Pins.
Oh, it's on the other. There's pens in there. Okay, what else?
Leave them in there, bud. Just open the rest of it.
No, you don't. That looks like a charger or some
A
sort.
charger.
What's on the other side?
And some more electric stuff.
What's that?
Ooh, it's DS.
What?
Yes.
What color is it?
Blue.
What's your favorite color?
Blue. A DS.
You got your own DS? How cool is that?
You want me to help you turn it on?
And games. Those are games for your DS. Over there on the thing.
What?
Oh man, those are games.
What do you say to Grandpa? Look in here.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Look right there.
And Grandma both.
Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma.
And Grandma Darth.
Thank you.
Is this what you wanted so bad?
Yes.
Look at
And it's
him.
even the color that you like?
Yes.
Your favorite color?
Is it
Look
turn
at his
on?
shirt. You want me to help you?
You and him both have blue on.
Pokemon.
Please enter your settings and tap OK. English, France, or Espanol?
English.
Okay.
That's what we speak, right?
Okay.
Is it?
We speak English, yeah. And a little
What
Spanish.
country do we live in? What country do we live in?
Country or Arizona?
No,
That's
just
state.
what country.
United.
United States of America. How do you get this on?
I think it's a hit, Grandpa and Grandma.
Thank you.
So I think it's a hit, huh?
Little kiss.
Oh, hi, Lex. Oh, we didn't get to see that. Lexi was in the way.
What time is it?
Hi, Lex. Say
I
hi.
got it, Dad. I got it.
Hang on, hang on. Wait. I'm trying to get it set up for you. Hang on.
You get it set up and then I'll put the
Perfect.
Okay, love you guys.